In this video, I'll guide you through how you can connect mobile hotspot to PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To connect mobile hotspot with laptop or PC, at the beginning you need to get a mobile phone and go to your settings menu. Once you come to the settings menu, then scroll down and find hotspot and connection and click on it. Then find personal hotspot and tap on it and turn it on. Now click on hotspot settings and type in hotspot name here and type the password. Then click on the checkmark icon and you have to make sure you turn on your mobile data. Now go back to computer screen, click on this network icon and tap on Wi-Fi. Then you will see your mobile hotspot will appear here and click on it. Then click on connect button and add the password which is set on the mobile hotspot and click on next button. Then you'll be connected with your mobile hotspot.